When I finished my postdoc, I took a job at Pan American University in South Texas. And while there initially, I taught 4 upper-level courses in the same year and received 2 large grants. About the same time, I got a letter from my doctoral mentor who said, I just got a letter from a faculty member in zoology at LSU. They're looking for a histologist, and the research area is open. And then he said, it sounds like you. And in fact, he was right.
It seems like Harold's been here, and I've interacted with him forever. We got to know each other and did more and more together as the years went on, and we're still good friends.
Harold moved into an office and laboratory right across from mine. It was great working with Harold on a variety of projects because we were able to bounce all kinds of seemingly crazy ideas off of each other.
I first met Dr. Silverman as a student in his histology class. It was a lot of work, and we really learned a lot in that class.
He came to the university as a scientist and an educator. He's been responsible for some major changes in the university and some administrative positions. He put the departments of in biological sciences together as biological sciences. So it was biochemistry, botany, zoology, and microbiology, and it all became one.
He's not only a great teacher, but he's also had a great run as administrator.
He has served in the dean's office as dean, as associate dean.
The entire time I was in the dean's office, I actually loved it. I always said the job of all of these administrators is to simply hire the very best faculty members we can, the best staff that you can, to support those faculty, for them to be able to do their research, scholarship, and teaching. And you have to recruit the best student body that you can. And so those are the jobs of the administrator, essentially to facilitate the business of the university, which is not administration. It's all these other things.
The other thing he's done is he's developed a culture here of excellence in research and teaching. He's done this by seeking out large, multi-individual, multi-departmental grants from the federal government. So he wrote the grants, led the writing of the grants. When the grants were funded, he ran the programs and managed them.
I accompanied Dr. Silverman on some trips to outlying freshwater ponds where we collected samples of clams and incubated them in his lab over the course of the semester. It was a great experience, and I learned a lot about how to work in a lab.
I still am the external chair of the state's EPSCoR grant on materials and manufacturing, and I just recently stepped down as the external chair for the state's NIH Emory Award. And so in that way, I've been giving back. If you want to have an opportunity to talk to the university about what it should be doing out to the future, you probably have to be giving back to earn the right to have the responsibility to do that sort of thing.
Couldn't think of anybody better to receive this award, and in fact, I'm surprised that it's taken so long for the university to do it.